They're gonna try oysters. Good morning! Time check, it's already 9:51. Hindi na ako napag-intro because nagmamadali na naman kami. And now, dadaan muna kami sa supermarket. And then, go to the beach. 1 hour and a half yung biyahe namin, guys. Nag-bus lang kami. Super hot, but sinadya ko talaga ganyan yung blush ko para. Bakit ka nakasimangot, madam? Madam?
Paano ang silok?
Ay, ang masilok.
Tapos kanina sa sa may dinaan natin kanina.
How are you feeling right now?
So happy!
How about you? Wala. Ano lang yun? Moment of weakness, guys. Cut na.
Uy, parang fiesta.
Wala na akong masabi.
What are the
Ito
vibes?
naman, napaka-stable pa ng bangs ko, like.
Labas hindi ko magalaw.
Tapos biglang gumalaw na kaya. Ang ganda ng air, guys. Ito na yung inaantay namin. Ito na yan. Magiging memories ito mamayang gabi.
Uwi na agad. We.
Ang araw na ng upugi. Ang pinta. Oh my days!
Pala sila. Buti na yan kasi...
Ooh,
Uy, may ano din pala dito. Similar.
just got here. Kylie, where are we again?
We are now here in Colar Beach.
Beach. Uy! Parang may pinaparinggan na. Ay, joke.
Kaway ka mamabot na ito. Ay, grabe nga kayo sa aking bag. Paano pa virus dito sa Pilipinas, ha? Hindi pala kaya. Hindi pala kaya.
Kain na mo.
We just finished eating. Now we're going up. All the way there.
Pampababa ng
Yes. We just finished eating our brunch. And now we are going up and away. Take some pictures. And for you guys to see. Tama ba yun? For you guys to see the view up there.
world.
To see the world. So, syempre, hihingalin kami, di ba? So, mamaya na ako mag-video pag nilaka. Kasi mahirap magsalita tapos nag-vlog. So, see you there, guys! Look at that. Wow. Kaya pa?
So tired.
An eternity later.
Hey guys, so update. We just got back. Kanina, nakauwi na kami around 4 p.m. And then, naligo lang kami lahat and get ready again. As you can see, ito pa rin yung suot ko. Kasi we are going to the beach again later just to take some sunset pictures. Hopefully may sunset. And now it's currently 6:38. We are walking to buy some churros. Nag-change outfit na yung mga kasama ko pero ako hindi ako nag-change outfit. Ito pa din yung suot ko. So, but then, so, let's go! Yung mga iba namin kasama, nauna na sila kasi may mga iba din silang dadaanan. May mga sarili din silang things to buy because bukas we are going to Madrid and this is our last day in Barcelona, so we gotta buy some souvenirs and some stuff like that. So what are you drinking?
Iced coffee.
Rate it.
But
How much is
okay
it
lang.
first?
2 euros, 185.
So,
It's like like sa kaupa.
They gave us a cup of ice and this, yung warm,
Latte.
warm na latte. Tapos
Ikaw mismo yung
parang pour over. Huh? Hindi eh. Basta ganun.
hand over. Ay, ay, sige.
2 out of 10.
Oh my God, that bad?
Hindi nga siya hindi siya parang yung espresso, syempre espresso, tapos ilalagay mo sa ice. Ice na milk, tapos ice.
It's okay, bili tayo ulit.
Okay lang. Kasi iubos
Bibili ka
na
ulit?
ni Chloe.
Ay,
Mamaya kapag may natala.
ano te? Grabe na yung ano namin, Tito.
Parang
Biglang hindi ata uulan. Ay, di uulan. Dapat uulan kasi contact.
Baliktad, wala na yung problem na, guys. Mauna pala kami sa
Labuarca.
Labuerca.
Food market.
Kasi mali yung napuntahan namin. I mean, tama naman siya kasi same siyang branch, but wala siya yung parang different flavors of the churros that we wanted to buy.
No, ma'am. This is the food market.
Now,
We're going
nauna
to
lang
the
kami sa food market and then dadaanan namin yung churros.
Later.
And then, bibili kami ng shirt, remembrance, and also souvenirs.
Souvenirs, and we're going to eat some frozen yogurt later.
Yes.
Macadamia, te. Ate.
Thank you po.
Yes, may dates kami, te.
So guys, they're gonna try oysters.
Hindi mo na kailangan sabihin.
Ano yan? Anong sauce yan, boy? Manghang yan.
Sauce with
Okay guys.
Ano ba yan?
Bigyan ko kayo.
Gano'n ba yan yung sa ganyan?
apple sauce.
Cheers!
Hindi parang, paano ito kainin? Like,
How's it?
Reactions.
Lasang dagat?
yeah. Lasang
Sensor mo na lang.
yung pinagalingan natin kanina.
Great. 10 out of 10?
Kasi 10
Great.
euro.
9.
Ikaw?
Parang nakakausap na ako ng talong.
Rate.
Rate.
Rate mo.
Parang dalawa niya.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
Wow! Ano binili mo, Carla? Ano yan?
Calamares, tapos octopus.
Wow. Okay.
So sarap.
Taste test. Taste test muna, dali. Yum! You know.
Napakasarap,
You
parang
know.
Pinas.
You know. Now I'm gonna try it as well. Cheers.
So, 65 ano na yun? 75.
Hindi mo sinabi manghang. Hindi talaga. Manghang.
Punas mo muna ito.
Now we're gonna buy empanada. They have different flavors, which isa na doon ay onion and cheese.
Ham cheese, chicken, spicy chicken, chorizo.
A lot.
4 cheese. 4 cheese?
For cheese. For cheese? Ano bibili niyo?
I'm gonna get chicken.
Chicken.
Wait, 4
Or maybe, I sorry, that one.
So they're gonna try this one, guys.
The mango.
Yung may tahin and chamoy. They have different kinds of fruits naman. Ayan.
The mango.
Ay! Ay! Ayun, ang dami nilang mga fresh fruit drinks dito, guys. And it's good. Like, literally 10 out of 10.
Out of 10.
It's so fresh.
Dapat inaano natin yung mga binibili natin.
Kaya nga, nire-rate natin. Eh, pero ito pa lang naman. Ito, tsaka ayun.
Empanada with mango.
I got empanada with mango?
I mean, with
And mango.
and mango.
Oh my God. Gracias.
Try that one.
So we are here in La Boqueria. This is their food market, guys. So Ang mahang na naman. Painom.
Oh, boys.
Ay, sorry nga pala, manghang yan.
7 out of 10.
Go.
6.
6. Ako, manghang siya, so
May
5 out of 7.
Me.
7.
8.
Okay, next yung mga lalaki. Okay, now it's their turn. Sabay-sabay kayo ah.
Masarap siya, promise.
Okay. Cheers. Go na.
Ate Kylie, peke.
Okay, rate.
Sarap siya.
Rate mo.
8 out of 10.
Rate mo, rate.
Masarap siya kaso yung sauce maanghang.
Rate.
10 out of 7 lang.
Ano baliktad?
Mali mag-review yung sarili. Take two. Ayan, bloopers.
Direct cut.
Bloopers yan, bloopers.
Okay.
7 out of 10.
Okay, 7 out of 10. Kao,
7.
7 out of 10. 10 out of 7. Ayoko nga, vlog ko to eh.
I have here the beef empanadas.
What's yours?
For cheese.
Mine, I have chorizo and
Chicken.
Okay. First one.
Here. Hi!
may pakagatin nyo naman ako ah.
Papakagatin yung camera.
May nga ba tayo? May food vlogger pa.
See that? This is the chorizo. Yeah, sarap. Ba't parang ang tignan?
The cheese.
Chicken. You try this. This one I like.
I like.
Can I have one? Okay. You try this one. This is, what is this? 4 cheese.
This one is chorizo.
Masarap. Masarap siya.
Masarap yung sa'yo, May. Ano to?
What is yan?
Ano to, Kylie? Okay, ako na. 4 cheese ata to. 4 cheese? Hindi, 4 cheese, girl.
Ay, ito pa. That's mine. Ito, chicken. I mean chicken.
Chicken.
Actually.
I like chicken.
Ano to? Ano to? Ano to, Kylie? I don't like the cheese. Kylie, ano to?
Chorizos. I like the 4 cheese. And then the beef one.
I'll rate the 4 cheese 4. I'll rate the chorizo 7. Yung beef 6 and yung chicken 9.
day ito pa
Basta top ko, chorizo.
Me too, chorizo. Akin yung top ko beef and the cheese. So parang chicken 7, beef 9, cheese is 9, and also this one chorizo is 7.
Mine, cheese, let's say 5. The
Ay, boys! Tikman nyo na to.
beef, maybe 7. And the chicken, 7.5. Ano nga isa? Chorizo?
Chorizo.
9.
Okay, so they like the chorizo the most.
Review down. Okay, you try.
Chorizo! Top.
Try nila.
Top yung pinakababa.
Masarap, masarap.
For
Beef. cheese.
Ako na.
Parang mix.
Madami action kaso.
Nag-rate ka pa? Nag-rate ka?
Ito yung beef.
Masarap yan.
Okay, yan 4 cheese.
Beef.
Beef.
Mga
Ang bilis naman mag-rate. Tayo parang nag-i-inal pa na natin eh. Inamnam pa.
Sarap din siya, pero ano, natabig pa. 7.
7.
Chicken.
Eto, chorizo.
chicken 6.
And 10 out of 8.
Kaya ako tubig men. Kadiri ng manok.
Alat na sobra.
Hindi ko medyo bet.
Rate.
I like ano.
Kaya ako manok men.
Rate mo.
Ito gusto mo men.
Ay, puro cheese ha?
Ayaw mo yung dalawa?
Rate mo dali.
Ito, meron pa dito.
Rate mo. Rate.
Out of 10.
Ang gandang review yan.
Ano na?
9 out.
O, 9 out of 10.
Ang talap!
Ang talat. Ang talat.
So amazing!
10 out of 10.
Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Yung cheese yung pinaka-lowest ko.
Yun nga sa 2.
Cheese lover.
Ito ang 10 out of 10 cheese.
Chicken.
Sa akin ito.
Chicken?
The best
Yan.
and cheese.
Okay, nice one
Okay,
guys.
guys.
Nice rating. Bye-bye. See you na. Bye. Una na ako.
Bye.
Ay.
Sige, Max. End call na.
End ko na. Wala. Hindi na siya makagalaw. Hindi niya na alam nung bibilhin niya. So guys, she's gonna buy this. Okay, go.
Sana ano.
Pili ka na dyan. Huh?
This is mine.
And then, other one. Poppy. Okay, ano yung gusto mong makuha dyan?
Gusto ko ito.
So she wants this or this. We'll see about that.
Wait lang, paano kailangan?
Baka kailangan alugin. Okay, so may binili din si Justin, guys. Ano yan? Yung front.
Andy's room.
Andy's
Toy
room.
Story Pop Mart.
Tapos yung pagpipilian ay... Alin dyan yung gusto mo makuha?
Pag
Woody.
sinerte ako, pwede si Woody. Pero mas okay na rin kung siya. Yung mga alien makuha ko.
Okay, good luck to you then.
Ayan o, dapat to kasi magkakapinta din.
We just got here in Barcelona Beach.
Ayun, habi.
Dun yung sunset, guys. Unfortunately, hindi namin na
Magluto ka
ano.
here sa bar.
Pero ganito siya. Kaya nga eh. Medyo malamig, guys.
Guys.
But, oh, ang ganda.